Welcome to the ASTRO. So in this tutorial, you are going to learn how to access Manga data cube using SDSS MANGA Python package in Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so our first job is to install SDSS MARVin Python package. So for installing that, you need to type command pip install SDSS MARVin and simply run the code. So let's wait for some time, and you can see that in my system it is already installed. So it is writing that requirement already satisfied. So in your system it will just take some time to install it. So I hope you got that how to install SDSS MARVin Python package in notebook. So in next tutorial we will be learning how to access Manga data cube using this Python package. So thank you.